Introducing the ultimate solution to keep your laptop clean and spotless. Meet the OXO Good Grips Sweep and Swipe Laptop Cleaner. This compact and lightweight gadget is designed for every laptop user who values cleanliness with its dual-sided functionality. You can easily sweep away dust and crumbs from your keyboard using the soft bristles, while the microfiber pad on the other side gently wipes smudges and fingerprints from your screen. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making cleaning quick and effortless. Whether you are working from home or on the go, this handy tool fits perfectly in your bag, so your laptop stays fresh and pristine wherever you are. Say goodbye to messy screens and sticky keyboards, and hello to a smarter way of keeping your devices neat. If you want to buy it, the link is in the description. Introducing the powerful electric spin cleaner designed to make cleaning faster and easier. With its high-speed spinning action, this tool tackles dirt, grime, and tough stains effortlessly, perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or any hard-to-clean surface. Its ergonomic design and rechargeable battery ensure convenience and portability, making it your go-to solution for spotless cleaning. Whether it's scrubbing tiles, polishing surfaces, or reaching tricky corners, the electric spin cleaner does it all efficiently. If you want to buy it, the link is in the description. Keep your kitchen organized and your spices fresh with the sealed seasoning box. This compact and durable container is designed to store your favorite spices, herbs, or seasonings while keeping them airtight and moisture-free. Its transparent compartments let you easily see what's inside, and the individual lids ensure no flavors mix. It's perfect for home cooks and food enthusiasts who want a tidy and efficient kitchen setup made from high-quality material. It's easy to clean and built to last. Make your cooking experience smoother and more enjoyable with this simple yet functional addition to your kitchen. If you want to buy it, the link is in the description. Upgrade your bathroom or kitchen with the double-layer soap dispenser, the perfect accessory for organizing and dispensing liquids like soap, shampoo, or dishwashing liquid. Its sleek and modern design features a double-layer structure, making it ideal for holding two different liquids at once, saving both space and time. The easy-to-press pump ensures smooth and precise dispensing, while the sturdy material guarantees durability. Whether you use it in the bathroom or the kitchen, this dispenser adds both style and functionality to your space. If you want to buy it, the link is in the description.